Hi everybody, I'm going to continue on with this roof. The ceiling drawing. These are bathrooms right here. And in these two rooms, we're not going to have tile. We're going to have gypsum wallboard. And I'm going to show you how to do that quickly if I can. So I'm going to delete that one out. And I'm going to delete this one out because these are bathrooms. We need wallboard in here because of the moisture situation. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. This is our utility room. And then we got our other rooms here. So I'm going to select all these. I'm going to go tab here. I'm going to select them all. Okay, and I'm going to drop, I want these at 11 feet, just at the exact window height. So I'm going to 11 feet right there. And there we go. So now, what we want to do is we want to go into our Manage tab here. I'm going to go look at Materials. If it opens up for me. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed and follow along with us. So here now we're in our Materials tab. And what I want to do, I want to select Gypsum wallboard here. So I'm going to go here for my new material, Gypsum wallboard. There you go. So there's our Gypsum wallboard here. And then I'm going to right click here. I'm going to duplicate this using shared assets right here and there. So you see the little hand come up here. Alright. Here it goes, doing this thing. Now I'm going to rename this. What are we going to rename this to? We're going to call it Gypsum Ceiling Board. Rename this here. Oh, it's already set there. Okay. Gypsum. That's pretty good. Okay, it's going to be Gypsum Ceiling Board here. And now here we've got our shared. We want to see this little hand here. This is going to make it shared. So we want to create this. I want to select this here. And select the materials. Wait a minute, just this one here. And I don't want an orange peel mat. I want to change this to white, painted white. You can find it here. Let's do search. Go paint it white. And hit enter. Okay, there we go. We'll select that one. Just push that over there. And bring this up here. And now we want to go into our graphics. We did this before. And we want to select this right here in our graphic as our pattern here. So that'll show up for us. And then we'll go apply. And we'll have OK. If it ever comes down. I don't know why it's so slow here. Again, please subscribe to the channel. You haven't subscribed. There you go. So now we've got our new ceiling type here. So what I want to do now is I want to go into my level 1. I'm sorry. Yes, I want to go here into this level. We want to take care of this one first. Actually, we might want to delete this one out because we got a new one here. So I'm going to go here and I want to create my new ceiling. So I'm going to go into Architecture tab, select Ceiling, and in here I want to select in my type selector, I want to select Gypsum wallboard on metal stud, and then I want to edit this type. First you duplicate everything. Sorry about that. And then we're going to duplicate. We'll rename this to suspended GB on metal stud. Let's just call it suspended GB on metal stud. And we'll type OK here. Now here we'll go into our preview here and we'll edit this. And we want to insert a layer here. Insert a layer here. And we want to move this up. So we got, we want to move this guy up. And then we will go here, create a material here. Okay. We want a metal stud here. Okay, sorry about this. Just go metal here. This is how you actually do this. I didn't do it on the last video, I'm sorry. Stud. There you go, metal stud layer there. Okay, so we got our two metal stud layers, and this is going to be 3/4 of an inch. And the other one will be 1.5 inch. Let's go 1.5 here. Inches. We click apply. Now we've got that. Now here we want to change that gypsum ceiling board we created here. So I'm going to go here in my materials, and there's that gypsum ceiling board that we created. Okay, and that's going to be 5/8 inches, and see, there it is in our view here. So we got 1.5, 3/4, and then 5/8. So I'm going to go OK here, apply, and OK. So these are going to be our new ceiling. So I'm going to go here, automatic ceiling, and place one here, and here, and here. And at an elevation 11 feet. So now here we need a bulkhead going through here, and we're going to make this also. Sorry, I want to do that last one. So I'm going to get out of this command. So now here I want to do a bulkhead for the hallway. So here we're going to go with a wall. We're going to go architectural wall, and we'll make this let's say 4.5 inch partition, and it's going up to the roof, or we're going to create a level there, and then we're going to go here and make this base offset is going to be 11 feet. Sorry, it's going to be 11. Jesus. Okay, so I'm going to draw a wall from there to there. Any day now. Jeez, I don't know why it's taking. I guess it's because of where it is. Come on, guy. Sorry about this. Okay, here you go. There's our wall, and we want to just do some align tools here. Get it in order here. Come on, baby. And then delineate this and this. Okay, now we can go and put our ceiling in here as well for the hallway. Or we can do acoustic here if we want, but for this one, since we did this, we're going to go back with our ceiling. And there you go. You look at that in section view. Oh, sorry. That. I don't want to see it out there. Go back out of this command. It could be a little tricky. My computer's so slow. Sorry about that. Abort that. It's got something going on with those darn just so we can see what's happening here. That's all I want to do here. And then we're gonna, wow, I can't open this view. Let's right click, go to view. Whew. Okay, so there's our bulkhead there. There's our ceiling. Go back into that view. That's not showing what I want to see here. Let's pull this back. There we go. Go to 6 now. And there it is. So that's what's going to happen right there at the wall, at the bulkhead. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Just want to update you on how to do the bathrooms, because these walls are going to be, there's going to be too much moisture here for ceiling grid. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Bye. Be safe.